Welcome to the Enviroshake Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to ensure a successful and professional installation. Let's get started. Enviroshake tiles are shipped with 13 pieces per bundle. To ensure proper installation, store the material in a dry, covered location. Avoid stacking materials on top of ridge caps to prevent damage. Always ensure you have enough material to finish a roof area before starting. Enviroshake does not recommend using material from different dye lots without shuffling. Roof design and environmental considerations should be discussed with your installer and reviewed to ensure the chosen application of Enviroshake is suitable. Begin by preparing the roof. We recommend installing on 5/8" plywood. Install EnviroShield, our peel and stick underlayment, over the entire roof deck. Nail the top edges of the underlay strips into the roof deck every 3 feet, or as required by weather conditions. Please note, EnviroShield is required for our gold warranty. Each shake requires 4 nails, placed where indicated on the nailing strip. Enviroshake requires minimum 1.5" large head ring shanked roofing nails. Be careful not to drive nails below the surface, especially in cold weather, to prevent damage. Enviroshake can be installed using a nail gun. Start by setting it to 90 psi and adjust as necessary. For the starter row, cut shakes in half along the nail bar and nail the tail end of the shake to the roof strip edge using 4 nails. Ensure a 3/8" gap between each shake and align them with the drip edge for a straight start. Keep the butt end of the shake. This will be used for the finishing row. To keep your courses straight, snap a chalk line for every row. We recommend blue chalk, as red chalk may permanently stain the shakes. Install the second course directly above the starter row, ensuring each shake projects no more than 1/2 inch beyond the row below. To complete a row, measure and cut shakes to fit snugly against roof edges or around obstructions. Always use factory edges along rakes and gables for a clean finish. In regions with heavy snowfall, install snow guards to prevent snow accumulation from sliding off the roof. Determine snow guard pattern based on local conditions. Enviroshake's standard and maximum exposure is 9 inches, but can be installed at lower or varying exposures if desired. Always stagger the keyways between shakes. Avoid keyway on keyway by leaving a minimum 1.5 inches on either side of the keyway below. To ensure a natural look, follow these steps to avoid a staircase pattern. Complete a full row before moving on to the next one. Every couple of rows, check the progress from ground level. If you notice a staircase pattern beginning to form, split your tiles to break it up. Cut shakes precisely to fit around roof penetrations like dormers and vents. Use a circular saw for straight lines and a jigsaw for curves, ensuring a 1-inch clearance around projections. Use 24-inch wide W flashing in valleys, securing it over the underlayment. To ensure proper water flow, trim shakes carefully and leave an ample runoff space on both sides. Cut shakes to size for the finishing row, ensuring a tight fit below the ridge cap. This provides a seamless and professional appearance. Ridge cap should be installed with a recommended and maximum exposure of 9 inches. Secure each cap with 2.5" screws, pre-drilling holes if necessary for accuracy. If working with ridge vents, please notify your Enviroshake representative. When working with ridge vents, use a cap with a slope 1 size lower than the roof slope to ensure proper fit and ventilation. On a hipped roof, please refer to Enviroshake's hip conversion chart to ensure you order the correct cap size. For other installation instructions such as super shuffle, multi-tone, staggered, turrets, or other unique roof lines, low slope, less than 4/12, please contact your Enviroshake rep for more information. This information is provided for the use of professional roofing contractors. This installation guide does not supersede local building codes, which should always be followed. Please be sure to check Enviroshake's website for updates. With Enviroshake, you're investing in a durable, beautiful roof that replicates the natural look of cedar. For more detailed instructions, refer to our installation guide or visit enviroshake.com. Thank you for choosing Enviroshake.